We're going to do a brief video on AMD Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart up here for you for advanced micro devices. This is a daily chart with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. We did an analysis of this just a few days ago, but we're going to take a look at it because AMD is currently selling off, and it's down about 4, almost 5% today on 40 million shares. That's about half of its normal daily volume, so it's trading really good. It's down $3.62 at about $70.85. So let's take a look at this. We can see that it's been in a bear market since March of 2022, the end of March. It's rallied up a couple times trying to test the 200-day moving average here in June, early June here, in early August. It failed both times. We see that it put in a bottom down here on July 5th of $71.60, and we just violated that here. Actually, we're dead at it. 71. Let's see where we are here. $70.61. $71.60. So we broke that low and put in some new lows for this bear market. There are several things going on here. You'll notice that the blue line, the 200, we're below that. We're below the 20-day moving average. We're below the 5-day moving average. So this stock's definitely, there's just from an objective standpoint, there's no other way to say it. This stock's still in a bear market. It's making new lows, and it's below all of its moving averages. Does that mean there's nothing but disaster for this stock? No, I wouldn't say that. First of all, you'll notice this gap between here and the moving average, here and the moving average, here and the moving average. Whenever this stock gets a significant distance from its moving average, it rallies back up. So what we're looking for here is several things. You don't want to, at least in my opinion, it's all for entertainment purposes only, it's my opinion, but you don't want to step in front of a falling knife and try to catch it, so you have to be careful right here. But could this stock easily rally, within, let's say, July 5th, so if you go 3 weeks out here roughly, could this stock easily by the second week of October be an $85 stock? Yeah, it could easily be an $85 stock by the end, and by the third week in October. However, in order to do that, we need to get this price back up above the 5 and above the 20, just like we did here. Once we get those two above, that's a buying signal. People will buy it and pump it up, and they'll probably get it to $90, assuming that happens. So I wouldn't look at this breakdown here as any huge deal yet. Now, let's say this continues and this stock goes from $70 low and gets down way lower. Let's see where we are here for a support. Let's go to a weekly chart and see what we can find. We can see that we're right below our previous support from the middle of May in 2021, and our next support on this stock is not great. It's right here, and it's not that great of stock. It's 48. So for our purposes, we're going to look at support at this 200-day moving average, which is exactly, 200-week moving average, which is exactly what it's tapping. You can see that it's not touched that before, so we can't put a whole lot of confidence in that. A 200-day moving average is widely followed. A 200-week moving average is not that widely followed. We got a little rally when we got here earlier, and now we're right against it. But definitely, if you break this 200-week moving average and get below it, say down to the 60 level, that's not going to be good for this stock. It's going to be really negative outlook on this stock because it has not broken its weekly average all the way back here since May 16. So something to keep an eye on in terms of trying to catch a falling knife. From the other perspective, and this is a weekly chart we're looking at, we're going to go back to a daily chart. From the other perspective, if we get this rally, we could be back up in this $80 to $90 $85 to $90 territory by the third week in October. So let's go down and take a look. We cover 190 stocks, algorithmically generated prices every morning before 7 a.m. This is for the 22nd, and we do happen to cover AMD. So let's take a look at it. Again, 1, 5, and 20-day holds. AMD is right here. Advanced micro devices. It's saying to buy 72, 72.99, 73.98. So we're definitely in that territory. It looks like these have probably been hit. Let's take a look. Yeah, so it looks like $70.61. So all of these have been hit. Now, obviously, you're underwater, but these are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. But you can see our algorithms are saying this market is a trader's market, and that you might be able to make some money in here, assuming your own analysis says it's a good time to buy. So I can give you two different arguments. Long term, we're still in a bear market. Short term, we could be in a trader's market, but we got to get support here really quick. That's what we've got for you today. If you'd like to get our entry prices every morning before 7 a.m., you can get them all at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the most liquid futures contracts, major forex pairs, and BTC crypto, all free, absolutely no charge, no credit card required. At rbamresearch.com, there's a link in the description below, and you can go over there, get them. They're open. The website's obviously up 24/7, but you can get new ones every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. All these prices are updated by then. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a comment on moving averages or what you think the stock's going to do, please let us know in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is opinion, and our entry prices are for entertainment purposes only, and the commentary as well as entertainment purposes only. Can only use everything for entertainment and nothing else. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.